Watch AI create a corporate training program analytics dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our corporate training data. Simply upload your file, and Bricks instantly begins processing. The AI is now analyzing our training data, identifying key patterns and metrics that matter most for corporate learning analytics. It's intelligently creating multiple visualizations, including training method distribution, enrollment trends, completion rates by department, grade distributions, and feedback scores. The system automatically generates charts showing retake requirements, monthly enrollment patterns, and certificate issuance rates across departments. Our corporate training program analytics dashboard is complete with 8 interactive charts and 2 comprehensive data tables. The AI has created everything from course completion tracking to trainer performance metrics. Now we can instantly customize the visual theme to match our brand. Perfect. Let's explore presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view removes all editing controls, creating a clean, professional display ideal for executive presentations. You can still interact with all charts and filters while maintaining that polished look. The presentation mode transforms your dashboard into a powerful storytelling tool for training program reviews and strategic planning sessions. Back to edit mode, you can modify any element, add new charts, or adjust filters as your training programs evolve. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.